Okay, we're opening box number 9, ladies and gentlemen.
Pack 10 on me. Being pack 10. So there's pack 10, 11 and 12.
Ah, so pack 10.
If you're still with us, you can add any comments to our box breaks, and would you like to see more unique soccer box breaks? That'd be nice, because it's a good product.
If anyone can afford them out there, they're expensive, but they're worth it.
I'm not sure why no one's busted something yet of it, but they're quite quality cards.
Owen, Jacinto, Daniel, John Terry, Basatan, Legends of Football, Zebra, Nani, Legends of Football, Lefa, Paulo Ferreira. We have got, I have second one of these. I've got Van Zin and Van Zin dual patch. What is it, number 2, 146 of 350.
Who's that team they play for?
Piece of Vans SL games from 04 ASI Holland. That is weird, I've got 2 of them in the same box. Luca Tony, Janea Zanzati, Fernando, Florent Mola. That's one card. Xavier. Okay, box number 11, almost there, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, these size cards look like they're .50 cards size. I mean, some of the gold cards look like they're probably 120 point, and the patch ones look like they're probably about 80 point. Size cards.
If someone at Futera is watching this, can you tell me what point cards these are? Oh, I knocked down my... Okay. Okay, we have striker Michael Owen, Adriano, Lewis, Joel, Andre, Lucas Neal, what's a good Australian player?
We're three good players actually for Australia.
Gary Neville, sorry. Gabriel, David, and we have got a Van Persie patch. It is 323 of 350. This is a Van Persie away game jersey of the match against on the 10th of September up 5 with a film salve of a player. It's a good find. The Legends of Football, Gary Takihi, or how you pronounce him, Diego Rubino, and pack number 12, the final one. Dun 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 dun.
I can find a one-on-one card. I found that one-on-one cards are pretty really scarce. I guess they're really possible to find these one-on-one cards.
It is possible, but I'd have to buy a case, and I can't afford a case. These, as I remind you guys, are $400, £400.
They're 600 US and 800 Australian.
So they're not cheap. If I could afford to, I'd buy a case of these.
They've got a second box as well. Would you like in the box bracket as well? He's thinking of keeping it, but we don't know yet.
Okay, the final box. They got Frederick, Samir, Julian, Julia, Frank, Fernando, Legends of Football, Kanasi. I don't know who that player is, but Japanese player. Or who is he play for? Yeah, he's Japanese. Jui. Fabian thing. We have got Gatsko Unique Italia 261. This is a future proof card, features a Gatsko AC Milan jersey from Champions League 05-06 with a film cell of a player. It's a pretty good hit. Siego, John Aloisi, what was a good player for Australia?
Aloisi!
Rio, Rafael, and another good player, Cristiano Ronaldo. Ladies and gentlemen, that is from my box break. You can watch all of them on the YouTube when I put them on. Okay, bye ladies and gentlemen.